So this is the collection kit that arrives from Cashy Clinical Laboratories, and inside the box we have one RNA later tube in a specimen bag and a barcode, patient identifier barcode for the sample and one for the form, and inside the order request form. Here is the specimen collection form, which is very straightforward. Please place the sticker of the barcode on the top of the form here and the other copy onto the specimen bottle. Please fill out the patient demographic information, the clinical information and the insurance and billing information and your institution details. You can see here that I've labelled both the form and the bottle with the corresponding barcode sticker. Back of the form you'll find instructions as to how to take the sample, which I'll show you in the upcoming video. Hi, I'm Chris Lawrence. I'm the Director of Medical Affairs with Lambda, and I'm going to show you how to collect a sample for the molecular microscope. Simply set up your tray in the usual way. You will need a blade in order to dissect the kidney core to provide the 3mm segment for the molecular microscope. So we've done the biopsy and we've got 2 cores of kidney here and here, and we need 3mm of one of the cores. So we'll take it off the larger core. Sometimes a little bit tricky. I use a scalpel blade and a needle to dissect the core. Give me a generous 3mm here. There we are. Got that 3mm or more of cortex, so we pop that straight into the RNA later, and then simply seal the tube, and that's ready to go with the completed form by FedEx to the laboratory. The sample labelled, the kidney in RNA later, goes into the specimen bag, seal the specimen bag, pop the form, completed form in with it, pop it back into the box, and then the box goes into the FedEx envelope and is sent to the Cashy Laboratory in Portland.